how to turn your ideas into income. 9 simple steps that you need to follow straight away. And number 4 is going to be the difference that makes the difference. This will stop you if you're that person that has loads of ideas. Number 4 is going to be the ultimate step out of all of these 8 that's going to actually put your idea into action. So if you're a person that has loads of ideas and you don't do anything with them, then this is going to be the video for you. A lot of people have ideas and don't do anything with them, so don't be that person. All right, number 1, to stop the overwhelm, be excited that you had an idea. Look, the truth is that a lot of people don't actually have any ideas. So you're that person, you got an idea, all right, let's embrace that. These first 3 are going to move you into breaking through the overwhelm that a lot of people suffer from. At number 2, understand without implementation, an idea is a complete waste of time. So let's lock the idea in. Once you fully embrace the fact that an idea without implementation, you'll start to be able to distinguish what is really truly worth your time. So understand without action, an idea is a waste of time. Number 3, right? Let's lock it in. So let's use the 3-second rule, the 5-second rule, Mel Robbins' 5-second rule, where you count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you apply some sort of commitment to it. Maybe you call a friend, maybe you email, maybe you lock it in some way so that you are backed up to doing this thing, right? Now at step number 4, here's the money shot. At number 4, we're gonna market test this idea. So number 4, you need to find out, do people pay for this thing already? Is there a demand for it? Is there a market for it? Now, a lot of people will tell you, having an idea and, making sure that it's the only thing in that market, and that's a great idea. That's not how we distinguish what a great idea is. If people are already paying for something, that means that there is a genuine market for it. What we need to distinguish between, is it an oversaturated market or is it an undersaturated market? Like, the good thing is that people have this demand for this thing, all right? And then can we now decide, do we do an improvement model to what's already in the actual market, or do we do something completely different? So when I'm talking about saturation is what we call like a red ocean where there's loads of sharks, right? So that is an improvement offer within that market. There's already people that are doing that thing, and we need to add an improvement, a better version, an upgrade to something already else and bolt it on. If it's an unsaturated market, that's a blue ocean. There needs to be an education process in order for someone to jump onto this new opportunity. So in fairness, all right, what people don't understand about ideas is actually a red ocean is easier to resell into that market because there's already a demand. The problem, of course, comes with the competition within that market. But if you can distinguish why you're going to be a better version, a better option, a better service or product to that market, then you're going to be able to stand out. Number 5, all right, let's check. Does this actually genuinely solve a problem to a solution? At number 5, check. Does it actually solve a problem? Is the thing, the idea that you have, is it a solution to someone's problem? Because if it isn't a solution to someone's problem, then there's no viable business. Without a solution to problem, there is no business. Therefore, does it really solve a pain, a problem? Is that relevant right now? So write these down so you can check, so you can use this as a video to systemize your ideas. And so you don't be that person that says, look, I've got loads of ideas, but I don't know what to do with them. At number 6, is the problem a genuine problem that people are going to pay for that's a big problem? Like, is it really a big problem that people genuinely know it's already a problem? If it's not already a problem and people know it's a problem, then you're going to have to convince people to why it's a problem. That's an education process. The cleaner you can get into solving someone's problem, and the quicker you can get to solving someone's problem, the quicker you can get to that, the easier the whole thing is. You don't have to educate people to why they need this service or product. So the quicker you can get, I know I'm gonna repeat it, but you need to get it. The quicker you can get into the fact that your service or product is a clear problem fixer to this problem, that your thing is a solution to that problem, the easier that they're going to be able to make that decision. At number 7, does someone already solve this problem? And if that's the case, can you partner with them? Can you joint venture? Can you do some sort of, add on to this? For example, there was a guy who improved the Dropbox model, and he did a little bolt on to how people were downloading, the files in Dropbox. And he was able to sell it for like 25 million to Dropbox because it was like a slight improvement to something that they were already doing. He realized there was a glitch, there was a problem, and he solved that, helped them solve it more efficiently and effectively. Because it's this huge scalable business, he was able to sell it for a lot of money. At number 8, are you super clear on the niche that the problem solution is aimed towards? Like, it must be calling out a niche, and that's, like, as I said, is either a topic or a person. A topic as in what's the problem that it resolves specifically for that person? What's the sort of person that is resolving? Like, is it female, male, you know, their gender, sex, religion, etc., their status, their divorce, single, all of those things. You must be considering who you're aiming this thing to. The more niche you get, the easier it is. You know, if you're calling out your specific client, then the whole thing becomes much easier. If you're not calling out that person, you're too generalized, thus you're not solving that problem again. At number 9, have you bought the idea fully? Are you fully convinced by this idea? Are you just, again, wafting out ideas? Have you fully convinced yourself that this is an idea that's going to truly solve someone's problem? And that being said, I want you to watch this video straight away, the 8 deadly truths. Click the link right now, watch this video. It's going to tell you the 8 deadly truths, how you can sell anything to anyone, because that's the key first step. Next video, click the link. I'll see you on the next video.